If you thought the Kasarani Stadium renovation was just another upgrade, think again. Because what's happening right now is a complete transformation. From a brand new, natural turf pitch to high-end VVIP lounges, this stadium is being reimagined into a world-class venue fit for global tournaments, concerts, and more. But before we dive into the exciting updates, let's rewind a little. Kasarani has long been the beating heart of Kenya's sports scene. It has hosted some of the most legendary football matches, historic athletics events, and even massive concerts that drew fans from all over Africa. But over the years, wear and tear started taking its toll. The seats became uncomfortable, the pitch lost its quality, and the overall experience for both athletes and fans was in desperate need of an upgrade. That's why this renovation project is so important. It's about restoring Kasarani's legacy and taking it to the next level. So, what's changed since our last update? Let's break it down. A brand new natural turf pitch. The biggest highlight is the natural turf pitch. Forget the old worn-out surface. Kasarani now boasts a fresh, FIFA standard grass pitch that meets international requirements. The turf has been properly marked, making it ready for high-stakes matches. Whether it's a local league game or an international showdown, the playing surface is now one of the best in Africa. Athletes deserve the best, and now Kasarani's changing rooms have been completely modernized, spacious, clean, and fitted with high-end facilities. They now offer a professional environment for players to prepare before games and recover afterward. These upgrades are crucial in ensuring that both local and international teams feel at home when competing at Kasarani. Luxurious VVIP area for the fans who want a premium experience. The new VVIP area is a game changer, designed to provide comfort, style, and exclusivity. This section offers high-end seating, private lounges, and top-tier hospitality services. Expect to see major celebrities, government officials, and international guests enjoying world-class football and entertainment in an elite setting. Cutting-edge LED lights. One of the biggest improvements comes at night. The stadium is now equipped with state-of-the-art LED floodlights, ensuring crystal clear visibility for night matches and events. These lights not only enhance the viewing experience for fans, but also make Kasarani a go-to venue for international tournaments that require top-tier lighting conditions, more than just a sports arena. But let's not forget, Kasarani is being transformed into more than just a sports venue. This stadium is being repositioned as a multi-purpose hub, capable of hosting music concerts, business expos, and even major esports tournaments. Imagine global superstars performing under the bright LED lights, or international conferences bringing business leaders together in Kenya's most iconic stadium. What's next? With these upgrades nearing completion, Kasarani is on track to reopen as one of Africa's most elite stadiums. The finishing touches are being put in place and the anticipation is building. Soon the gates will open to thrilling football matches, record-breaking athletics events, and unforgettable entertainment experiences. What are you most excited to see at the new Kasarani Stadium? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed that video, click the one in the link above for more updates.